Okay, now that you've created your Padlet space, it's time for us to move on to the last part of our introductory activity. And this is the group part, where everyone in the class now collaborates on this one page here. We'll be using what's called ZeeMaps, and after you click on the link, you'll get to a page that looks like this. Now, what we have to do is add our information to this map. Now, this map is just like any other map. You can zoom in and zoom out using the plus and minus keys. You can move around, and what we want to do is put a marker where we live, or close to where we live. If you read up here, it says share with the class where you call home. You'll be pasting a link to the Padlet page you created earlier. Please don't share the exact location of your house. This is more for security reasons. Pick a landmark that is close by, like a school, store, park, etc. You can also choose an intersection where your street crosses. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do an intersection of where my street crosses with another street. So I live in Vernon. I'm going to zoom in. Okay. Now 43rd Avenue is a major street where my street crosses over here on 17th. So what you need to do is go to add a simple marker. Alright, put your name. Okay, description. Now this is where you're going to add a link that you get from your Padlet space. So I'll go to my Padlet space here, and when you go to share, you can copy a link to this Padlet. So I'm going to click on that, and it's copied. Go back to my map, and I'm going to right click and paste that there. Alright, if you want to add a photo of yourself, you maybe have a picture of your face somewhere, maybe you have an avatar that you've created, this would be a good place to add that. You can choose the color of your marker. I'm just going to keep mine as red. And then we need to select a location. And it says click on the map to select your location. So I said 43rd and 17th, right around there. That'll be my location. And you'll submit. It tells me it's been added. Okay, so let's close that up and see what happens. There it is. So now, once everyone in the class has done this, we should have a whole bunch of locations, and depending on where you are, they won't most likely not all be in the same town. Maybe you guys are spread out, but then you're going to have to kind of explore. Maybe explore the whole world, depending on where people are. And then when you find a mark you want to look at a little closer, you can click on it, and then when you click on the description, it'll take you right to your Padlet page, where people can get a little bit more information about you, what you're interested in, what are some things you like to do, and not only that, kind of get an idea of where people are. Okay, that is using ZeeMaps. By all means, please play around with ZeeMaps. It's a fun program to use.